Did you know that you share about 60% of your DNA with a banana? Yes, you heard that right. The humble banana, which you might think of as just a tasty fruit, is actually more closely related to you than you might have ever imagined. That's right. The same fruit you enjoy in your breakfast smoothie is a distant relative. Imagine that the next time you blend up a banana for a healthy start to your day. It's not just a fruit, it's a distant cousin. It might sound strange, but it's true. This fascinating fact opens up a whole new perspective on how we view the natural world and our place within it. This surprising fact reveals a fundamental truth about life on Earth. All living organisms, from the smallest bacteria to the largest mammals, are interconnected in ways we are only beginning to understand. We are all connected in a grand web of life, sharing a common ancestor billions of years ago. This intricate web of life is beautifully illustrated by the evolutionary tree, which shows how all species are related through common descent. This connection is evident in our DNA, the blueprint of life. DNA is the molecule that carries the genetic instructions for the development, functioning, growth, and reproduction of all known living organisms and many viruses. Let's delve into the world of genetics to understand this fascinating connection. Scientists in genetics labs around the world are constantly uncovering new insights into how our DNA links us to other forms of life. We'll explore what DNA is, how it's shared, and how it replicates. DNA replication is a process that ensures each new cell receives an exact copy of the DNA, and what it tells us about our place in the grand scheme of things. By studying DNA, we can trace the history of life on Earth, understand the processes that drive evolution, and appreciate the incredible diversity of life that has emerged over billions of years. So the next time you eat a banana, remember that you're not just enjoying a delicious snack. You're also connecting with a distant relative in the grand tapestry of life. Imagine a massive instruction manual containing all the information needed to build and maintain a living organism. That's DNA. It's incredibly long and complex, containing billions of instructions called genes. These genes determine everything about us, from our eye color to our height, and even our susceptibility to certain diseases. Think of DNA as a language, and genes are the words. These words are arranged in a specific order, forming sentences and paragraphs that tell the cells what to do. Just like we share languages and stories across cultures, living organisms share a surprising amount of DNA. This is because all life on Earth evolved from a common ancestor, a single-celled organism that lived billions of years ago. Over time, this ancestor gave rise to diverse life forms, each with its own unique set of genes. However, the core instructions for basic cellular functions remained remarkably similar. That's why we share 60% of our DNA with bananas, despite looking and behaving very differently. The 60% shared DNA with bananas doesn't mean we are 60% banana. Instead, it reflects the genes essential for basic cellular functions common to all living organisms. These genes control processes like cell division, energy production, and DNA replication. Think of it this way: both a skyscraper and a small house need a foundation, walls, and a roof to stand. Similarly, both humans and bananas require the same fundamental genetic instructions for their cells to function. Section 5. The building blocks of life. Common genes, different uses. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of genetics and explore how the same genes can serve different purposes in different organisms. While we share many genes with bananas, these genes can have different functions and expressions. This means that even though the genetic code might be similar, the way it manifests in our bodies and in bananas can be vastly different. For example, both humans and bananas have genes responsible for producing sugars. In bananas, these genes contribute to the fruit's sweet taste, which is a result of the natural sugars like fructose and glucose. In humans, these same genes play a crucial role in our metabolism, helping to regulate blood sugar levels and provide energy for our daily activities. However, these genes are expressed differently, resulting in the sweet taste of a banana and the energy our bodies need. When we eat a banana, our body breaks down the sugars, converting them into glucose, which fuels our muscles and brain. This is why bananas are often recommended as a quick energy boost before or after physical activity. It's like using the same bricks to build two different structures. Imagine you have a set of identical bricks. With one set, you might build a house, and with the other, you might construct a bridge. The basic materials are the same, but the end products serve entirely different purposes. The basic building blocks are the same, but the final result depends on how they are arranged and utilized. In the same way, our genetic material can be thought of as the building blocks of life. The way these genes are expressed and regulated determines the unique characteristics and functions of each organism. This incredible versatility of genes is what allows for the vast diversity of life on Earth, from the simplest bacteria to the most complex mammals. Section 6. Fun with Genes, Quirks, and Oddities. Welcome to a journey through the fascinating world of genetics, where we uncover the quirks and oddities that make each of us unique. Genetics is full of fascinating quirks and oddities. From the microscopic strands of DNA that carry our genetic information to the complex interactions that determine our traits, the world of genetics is endlessly intriguing. Did you know that identical twins share 100% of their DNA? This means they are genetic clones of each other, yet they can still have subtle differences due to environmental factors and individual experiences. On the other hand, fraternal twins share about 50% of their DNA, just like any other siblings. This is why they can look quite different from each other and have distinct personalities. Siblings, whether twins or not, inherit a mix of genes from their parents, leading to a unique combination of traits in each child. This genetic diversity is what makes family gatherings so interesting, as no two siblings are exactly alike. And did you know that humans share about 99.9% of their DNA with each other? Despite this high level of similarity, the tiny 0.1% difference is what makes each person unique. That tiny 0.1% difference is what makes us unique, determining our physical characteristics, predispositions to certain diseases, and even some aspects of our personality. This small variation can influence everything from the color of our eyes to our risk of developing certain health conditions. Our genetic makeup also plays a role in shaping our personalities and behaviors. While genetics is not the sole determinant of who we are, it provides the foundation upon which our experiences and environment build. This interplay between genes and environment is what makes the study of genetics so fascinating. As scientists continue to explore the human genome, they uncover more about the quirks and oddities that make us who we are. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the complex tapestry of life, revealing the intricate dance between our genes and the world around us. So, the next time you look in the mirror or interact with your family and friends, remember that the quirks and oddities of genetics are at play, making each of us a unique masterpiece in the grand mosaic of humanity. Section 7. Beyond the banana, our genetic relatives. Bananas aren't our only distant relatives. We share about 98% of our DNA with chimpanzees, our closest living relatives. We also share a surprising amount of DNA with other animals, like cats at 90%, cows at 80%, and even fruit flies at 60%. This genetic interconnectedness highlights the shared evolutionary history of all life on Earth. It's a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. More than just genes, the role of environment. While genes play a crucial role in shaping who we are, they don't tell the whole story. Our environment, lifestyle choices, and experiences also have a significant impact on our development and well-being. This interaction between genes and environment is known as epigenetics, and it's a rapidly growing field of research. The future of genetics. Unlocking the secrets of life. Genetics is a rapidly evolving field with the potential to revolutionize healthcare, agriculture, and our understanding of life itself. Scientists are constantly making new discoveries about the role of genes in health and disease. These discoveries are paving the way for personalized medicine, gene editing therapies, and a deeper understanding of the intricate workings of life. Our place in the web of life. The fact that we share DNA with bananas and all other living organisms is a testament to the interconnectedness of life on Earth. We are all part of a vast and intricate web of life, connected by billions of years of shared evolutionary history. Understanding our genetic connections fosters a sense of wonder and respect for the diversity and resilience of life. A final thought, connected by code. The next time you peel a banana, take a moment to appreciate the remarkable genetic connection you share with this seemingly simple fruit. It's a reminder that life on Earth is a grand symphony of interconnectedness, orchestrated by the elegant language of DNA. We are all connected by this invisible code, a testament to the shared heritage and the incredible journey of life on our planet.